You know it's your boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. And gospel artist Chozenn say without God the thing tough. Tough. Yeah man. Chozenn remix Rygin King song Tough. All of that coming up.
Girl, I said the thing tough. Ice and chaser come keep that drink up. The vibes right and thugs them hype but we don't give up.
So Chozenn did it with Dovey Magnum ball out. And now he might do it again with Rygin King Tough. But me feel like said that time yeah, him kinda select a better tune than the last one. Because the last song was very sexual explicit. You see me? And right now the song yeah, is a little party vibes and him remix it and it sound good. So here what? Me I go make you hear the remix. So this a Chozenn. Without God the thing tough. Me I tell you say yo, from hear the song one time, it just hooking on me, I swear.
Big up Rygin King. One link. Spanish town. Yo, without God the thing tough. Tough. Bible study every day, WhatsApp group just link up. Me step out for Christ and everybody ball out. Oh no. Yo, if you trouble me, me show love you know. Tell them say me living for Christ, you know. Go tell them we alright, you know. Believe me now, God him soon come. Me I want you all, me not go shut me mouth. Yo, every church I try to figure me out. Them a give me a fight, them want grill up my mouth. To zip up your mouth and keep your doubt. Christ son I go hard, yo.
Yes, Chozenn. We beat you the last time, but we can't beat you this time. You choose a nice song, and it's a party song. The song you run Jamaica right now, it run this summer. And me don't know, probably your song, your Christian version can run the Christmas. Who knows? It bad, me not tell a lie. All hope you voice it soon, professionally. Because me say you drop off I read him couple time, but I know nothing. Me say you just a video it and put it on your IG. So that is Rygin. You hear me I say Rygin King. That is Chozenn. Think tough. Why? As I said, tell me in the comment section what you think. You feel like say yo, Chozenn for just make him own a lyrics and stop thief people lyrics and I turn it in a theme one. But we can reason it out, you know. And I say it's a good way for meet the secular people them. It's a good way for meet the unsafe people them. It's just that the last one, yo, the last one, it is just too graphic. Next hear how you try sing Chozenn ball out, you just end up having to sing Dovey Magnum a ball out. Next hear how you try. But that one yeah, me hear it one time and it come like some forgot Rygin King song Tough. I'm just a say without God the thing tough. And that's true, without God the thing tough, yo. So right now, it's a good look. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know if him fi continue thief people lyrics and turn it in him own, or him fi just go build some song like Ryan Mark them and Kevin Downswell and them artists there, you see me? Or people are questioning him, you know, and I say if him a real Christian or if him just a do it for the likes. So me don't know. Let me know in the comment section though. It's your boy DJ Chaddy and me don't tell you already, you know. I'm